Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Madhurima Bhaumik. Let us continue with our discussion on the question paper IIT JAM Biotech. We are in question number 6. The question here is, which one of the following is not an essential amino acid? Options given are number 1, threonine, 2, valine, 3, tryptophan, and the fourth one is tyrosine. So first of all, we must know what is an essential amino acid. Essential amino acid are basically the amino acid which are not synthesized inside the human body. Okay, not synthesized inside human. That means it has to be taken through the diet. It has to go through the exogenous diet inside the body. Now, let us go to the option. Option number 1 is threonine. Now, threonine is not synthesized inside our body. What does it mean? That means it is an essential amino acid. It is not synthesized. What is the dietary source of threonine? It is available in different foods, like it is available in the meat. Okay, it is available in the egg, nut, etc. Okay, so this is not an option because it is not synthesized inside the body. Okay, so it is an essential amino acid. Valine is also not synthesized in the human body. It has to be taken through the diet. Inside the body, it will be going through the food. Okay, what are the sources? There are different food through which we will get valine in our diet, like fish is there, chicken, okay, then cheese, many milk product, okay, can take directly milk, yogurt, okay. So these are providing the valine. So valine is an essential amino acid. It cannot be synthesized in the human body. Tryptophan, it is also taken in the diet. That means it cannot be synthesized in the human body. It is taken by through different food items like chicken, then cheese. Okay, different food items are there like milk. Okay, so this will be providing tryptophan. So tryptophan is an essential amino acid which is not synthesized in the body. What is left is tyrosine. Tyrosine is a non-essential amino acid. Non-essential amino acid. That means it is produced inside the human body. It is basically produced from phenylalanine inside the body. It is not taken through the exogenous diet. Okay. So what is the question? The question here is, which one of the following is not an essential amino acid? So tyrosine is basically non-essential amino acid. It is not amino acid. So this is the correct answer. Okay, let us go to the question number 7. The most abundant phospholipid in E. coli plasma membrane is. The options are phosphatidyl ethanolamine. Number 2 is phosphatidyl choline. Number 3 is phosphatidyl serine. And number 4 is phosphatidyl inositol. So what are the major components that are present in the E. coli plasma membrane? The most abundant is phosphatidyl ethanolamine. it is basically present, percentage is 75%. Other than that, there is phosphatidyl glycerol. Phosphatidyl glycerol percentage is 30%. Okay, 30% phosphatidyl glycerol is present in the E. coli plasma membrane. And there is cardiolipin, that is 5 to 10%. Okay, now let us go into the option. Phosphatidyl choline and phosphatidyl inositol, these two, 2 and 4, this is either absent or present in trace amount, means very less amount in the E. coli plasma membrane. So these options are wrong. Okay, this is not a correct option. In case of the third option, phosphatidyl serine, same thing, it is also present but present in trace amount. Okay, so this is also not the correct option. And we already know that phosphatidyl ethanolamine is present 75% in the E. coli plasma membrane. So the most abundant phospholipid in E. coli plasma membrane is, the correct option is option number 1, that is phosphatidyl ethanolamine. Okay. So we will be doing the next question in our next video. Thank you.